Happy New Year's 2025, people. 2025. Now, welcome back to Christopher Calabli, the YouTube channel that has everything you need, especially programming. And in this video, we're explaining something called the dice rolling simulator. You know the dice, right? We all know that six-sided shape that helps us in deciding games and everything. So basically, the dice is a six-sided figure that literally rolls a random number whenever you roll it from 1 to 6. You can do it as many times as you like, but what about doing it virtually, guys? Virtually is easy, and which is the dice rolling simulator. That's where it comes in to action, which we're going to show you today. So if you follow me and stick with me throughout the entire video, I, Christopher Calabli, will personally show you how the dice rolling simulator is made and run in Python. Thank you, and I'll explain as we go. So here we have it, the dice rolling simulator, the virtual dice that will change your life forever. So this is import random, a random one. So the random module basically helps you in deciding random things in a list, or even in a data structure, or in a variable. So from this module random, we import randint as random integer. So if you roll it, it gives you a random integer. That's where the dice thing comes in. So the minimum is always 1, the maximum is always 6. I can interpret these simple programs. All you gotta do is to listen, and then you'll learn a lot from me as we go through this channel. And once again, Happy New Year's 2025, people. The year where I'll shoot most of my videos. So repeat rolling equals to true. That means between 1 and 6. Between 1 and 6, that means it's to roll over from 1 and 6. It's to repeat that same rolling time and time again, in which the physical dice does. The physical dice will do the job. But this program you see here, this program, will basically is the virtual dice. Like this one and that one, comparing it to that, this one is easier. While repeat rolling, that's a while loop for that. Print, you rolled the dice using the number anything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you wish to roll again? That's a question they always ask people. So repeat rolling equals to yes. If it's yes, repeat the rolling. But if it's no, end program. See, all is as simple as a piece of rectangular cake. You all know that taste, people. Now that we've added now that I've made this simple food, and when I mean by simple food, I mean this program. Time to run this program. You feel the program energy, don't you? You feel it from inside your bones. You feel it. You feel me? You feel this from inside your bones now. Now that I've explained this to you, now you feel that it's simpler. Like you just want to scrap up the program and do some more on your own. Exactly, that's how it feels when I'm explaining to you. It makes me want to do more of the program. Anyways, I have long-term projects I'm working on. So loads and loads of long-term projects to be explained little by little in order for you to understand, so you can do some of your research and so that you can make yours better than even mine, for that matter. So let's just see the program run. Yes, so it's rolled 5. So basically, I didn't explain this part. So rand integer, that's random integer. Minimum and maximum, that means you roll between numbers 1 and 6, as I've explained before. So the computer rolled the dice 5, and do you wish to roll again? If you say yes, it's a yes. If you say yes, it's a yes. But if you say no, it's a no. So So I choose yes. 5 again. Yes. 4 this time. Yes, 6. Yes, 5. Yes, 1. Yes, 6 again. See, all it just does is just does it at random, at its own will, at its own purpose. So I say no. That ends and terminates the program. So that's it. That's all you need to know for today. Thank you for being with me on this one. Hello everyone, Christopher Kalawala here. Hope you enjoyed today's inspiring and motivational and awesomely super duper dice program today. In the next ones, I'll be doing more so I can encourage you to start programming. Because this programming I've just showed you right now is just the basics, like it's just the beginning. My friends, now that I've taught you personally everything about that program, and sure you can do, I'm encouraging you that you can also re-scrap my program and use it to create yours, but even more complex than you can even imagine now that I've taught you everything you know. Alright, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.